Hi, good afternoon. Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so today, let us have to study Developing 21 at the hotel.
Ang problema namin dito lang daw, yung
Okay, so at the hotel, so look at this one. So the hotel is very nice, right? It's nice. Okay, so the hotel is very nice. It is convenient. So we have here vocabulary ni. We have reservations. We have resident. We have book. Confusion. Feedback. Check-in.
Yeah, teacher. Let me
Check-out. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the terms in the hotel. We have reservations, resident, you have the book, confessions, okay, feedback. What are the feedback? What you are going to say about the hotel? Is it good? Is the service good? Check in, what time you are going to check in? Check out, what time you are going to check out? Pay the bill. Now we have the reception desk. Okay, so these are where you will going to have the room. Okay, what room you will gonna check in? Restaurant, the lobby bar, corridor, sitting room, or the guest room. Okay, corridor is where you will going to stay. Single room, okay, one room. Double room, twin room, triple room, connecting room, or the family room. Okay, so this is quite big. If you have family, you will gonna book in the family room because this is quite bigger. Okay. Next one. Okay, chambermaid. Okay, this is the one you can see in the hotel. Okay, they are the one we're going to serve, the chambermaid. Housekeeper, they are the one who clean. Okay. The house, or it could be in the hotel, they are the one who clean it. Public attendant, okay, so the one you will attend to you whatever problem you may encounter. Receptionist, you know this? This is in the front desk. You will gonna ask, okay, what is the number of a room? Okay, can we check in? Doorman or the door girl, the one who opened the door. Duty manager, they are the person responsible for to manage everything. How to book a hotel? Of course, I'd like to make a reservation. This is the first thing you are gonna do. I'd like to book a room, okay? So I'd like to book a double room for December 15. But nowadays, sometimes we don't need to go or we don't need to travel. We don't need to go to the hotel directly. You can book through online. So it is quite easier for us to book. So I have here a video. Please listen about this booking hotel. Okay, listen carefully.
Hello, is that the resident?
Yes, it is. How can I help you, sir?
I want to book a room for the 19th.
Sure. What sort of room do you want?
A single room, please, for 3 days.
All right. The rent for the room is $60 a day.
Okay, no problems.
I will make the booking, sir. Someone will call you up from the hotel later and confirm it.
All right, thank you. Hi, I have a reservation for tonight.
May I have your name, please?
It's Mark Nelson.
Okay, Mr. Nelson. According to our records, a room for 2 guests was booked under your name.
No, hold on, there must be some mistake. I've booked a room for only one person.
Okay, let me check again. Here we are. Your booking is for the 19th, right?
Yes, exactly.
I am sorry. There must have been some confusion. Luckily, we have a single room available. You can use the room 309.
Thank you. Hi, I want to check out. Can you please get my bill? I'll be at the reception in about 15 minutes.
Sure, I will have it ready for you when you arrive.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I hope your stay here was comfortable, sir.
Yes, it was fine, thank you.
Welcome. If you have any feedback, you can let me know.
Well, my dinner arrived a bit late, but everything else was okay.
I am sorry to hear that, sir. I will make sure that doesn't happen again.
No problems, I like this hotel. Hi, I'm going out and I'll be back in the evening. Can you please ask the housekeeping to clean my room?
Sure, sir. You will have to leave your keys at the reception.
Okay, that's not a problem.
The housekeeping department will have your room cleaned and the bedding changed.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay, did you hear that? Okay, so you can read the script also by this one. Okay, please tell me if you are done reading the script.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, next one. Okay, this is a single room for 3 days, and the rent for the room is $60 per day. No problems. I will make a booking. So this is for 3 days. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so in here, so Mark Nelson or Mr. Nelson went to reserve to have the reservations, but it happened that there is some mistakes with the reservations because what he booked is only one person, and what was being booked is for 2 guests. So what happened is he has been offered with room 309, single room for one. Okay. You are done, you tell me.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to check out and get my bill. Okay, so have it ready. And then I hope you stay here was comfortable, sir. It was fine. Okay. Feedbacks, it means you have the receptionist asked Mr. Nelson to give feedback what he experienced in the hotel. Okay, well, my dinner arrived a bit late, but everything else was okay. Sorry to hear that, sir. I will make sure that doesn't happen again. Next, housekeeping assistant. Housekeeping is the one who clean up the room.
Mm-hmm.
Now, okay, so the task. Please try to write your answer in the chat box. We have only 4. Oh, sorry. 4. Oh, I will play this again as your reference.
Hello, is that the resident?
Rian,
Yes, it
pareho
is.
ko na
How
gini
can I
yan.
help you, sir?
I want to book a room for the 19th.
Sure. What sort of room do you want?
A single room, please, for 3 days.
All right. The rent for the room is $60 a day.
Okay, no problems.
I will make the booking, sir. Someone will call you up from the hotel later and confirm it.
All right, thank you. Hi, I have a reservation for tonight.
May I have your name, please?
It's Mark Nelson.
Okay, Mr. Nelson. According to our records, a room for 2 guests was booked under your name.
No, hold on, there must be some mistake. I've booked a room for only one person.
Okay, let me check again. Here we are. Your booking is for the 19th, right?
Yes, exactly.
I am sorry. There must have been some confusion. Luckily, we have a single room available. You can use the room 309.
Thank you. Hi, I want to check out. Can you please get my bill? I'll be at the reception in about 15 minutes.
Sure. I will have it ready for you when you arrive.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I hope your stay here was comfortable, sir.
Yes, it was fine, thank you.
Welcome. If you have any feedback, you can let me know.
Well, my dinner arrived a bit late, but everything else was okay.
I am sorry to hear that, sir. I will make sure that doesn't happen again.
No problems, I like this hotel. Hi, I'm going out and I'll be back in the evening. Can you please ask the housekeeping to clean my room?
Sure, sir. You will have to leave your keys at the reception.
Okay, that's not a problem.
The housekeeping department will have your room cleaned and the bedding changed.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Teacher again.
Okay, go.
Hello, is that the resident?
Yes, it is. How can I help you, sir?
I want to book a room for the 19th.
Sure. What sort of room do you want?
A single room, please, for 3 days.
All right. The rent for the room is $60 a day.
Okay, no problems.
I will make the booking, sir. Someone will call you up from the hotel later and confirm it.
All right, thank you. Hi, I have a reservation for tonight.
May I have your name, please?
It's Mark Nelson.
Okay, Mr. Nelson. According to our records, a room for 2 guests was booked under your name.
No, hold on, there must be some mistake. I've booked a room for only one person.
Okay, let me check again. Here we are. Your booking is for the 19th, right?
Yes, exactly.
I am sorry, there must have been some confusion. Luckily, we have a single room available. You can use the room 309.
Thank you. Hi, I want to check out. Can you please get my bill? I'll be at the reception in about 15 minutes.
Sure, I will have it ready for you when you arrive.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I hope your stay here was comfortable, sir.
Yes, it was fine, thank you.
Welcome. If you have any feedback, you can let me know.
Well, my dinner arrived a bit late, but everything else was okay.
I am sorry to hear that, sir. I will make sure that doesn't happen again.
No problems, I like this hotel. Hi, I'm going out and I'll be back in the evening. Can you please ask the housekeeping to clean my room?
Sure, sir. You will have to leave your keys at the reception.
Okay, that's not a problem.
The housekeeping department will have your room cleaned and the bedding changed.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So we have Mark Nelson. Yes. Who want to book for 19? That's Mark Nelson. And who was booking for a single room? The same person. Booking on the 19th and wants a single room, still Mark Nelson. Okay. And what can the man do if he has any feedback? What can the man do if he has any feedback? Why does the man ask the housekeeping to clean his room? Why does the man ask the housekeeping to clean his room? Okay, because he will go out. That is why he asked if the man can clean his bedroom while he is out. What can the man do if he has any feedback? Okay. The dinner, what can the man do if he has feedback? Of course, the man will get mad. Okay. But of course, the man here, Mr. Nelson, is not quite mad, although the dinner was a bit late. But for him, it was actually okay. Okay, now here. So which numbers in hotel do you call for the following services? Okay, so please try to number. Okay, right? Choose from here. Day, murag human naman na, day. Ibalik ko naglain, day. Ano, sa ribbon cutting. Na ribbon cutting. Ano to, day? Shopper Ride, the Glinda's Body.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so to order a meal in a room, dial 15. Okay, room service. To get clothes dry cleaned, dial. Okay, dry cleaned, it is dial 9. Okay, laundry. Okay, to get help carrying your bag. So it's what? Juliet. To get help
Teacher.
carrying your bags. Yes.
What's the weather in your country?
The weather is not good. Okay. Rain and it's sunny, it's hot, it's humid. Okay, how about in your country?
In the morning it's sunny and at noon and afternoon it's rain. Like it's cloudy and rain.
Yeah, the same here. So the weather is not good. Okay, and it's very hot again. Okay, to get room ahead, ah, to get room clean, dial 10. Okay, housekeeping. To make a long distance call, dial 7, it's operator. To check you have received email, dial 15. Okay, room service, email. Okay, so it's not here. To check if you have received, okay, it's room service. Okay, so in case you were gonna have this. Okay. And dial 5. Where's dial 5 here? Ah, front desk. Okay, if you know that you have a mail, you will gonna check the front desk. So this one. Now, please, people are talking about the hotels they're staying in. Listen and check their opinions about the hotel. Okay, we have 5 people. So we have to listen their opinions. If it's good, not good. Okay, please listen and check.
1,
My friends and I flew down here to the beach for spring vacation. Of course, we're really excited about swimming and partying and meeting other college students. Our hotel is full of families and little kids, though. The restaurants are terrible, really crowded with kids, and noisy, and they're really slow, too. The hotel should have one restaurant that's just for adults, I think. Another problem is the service. The staff is too busy running activities for the little kids, so sometimes they don't bring us new towels or clean the room. One good thing is the room. It's really big and has a great view of the beach. The price is great, too. I guess most college students don't want to stay here, so the room rates are low.
2,
I travel a lot for my job. Too much, I think. Sometimes I'm away from home for 3 weeks or more. It can be pretty lonely. That's why I'm so happy about the hotel where I'm staying now. First of all, the restaurant serves light, healthy food that gives me a lot of energy for my work. Then there's the staff. They're very friendly to me. My only complaint is with the room. The bed is very hard. They should buy a softer mattress. Oh, and the rates are expensive, but the company pays for it, so I don't mind.
3,
Our trip to the lake has been pretty disappointing so far. It takes 2 days to drive there, so of course we have to stay in a hotel for one night on the way. My husband forgot to make a reservation, though. We found a hotel, but the restaurant is just a bar that serves food, so the kids can't eat there because they're too young. When I complained about it to the hotel manager, he just laughed at me. They should get a new manager. The room is dirty and tiny. It's really bad. The kids have to share a bed, and they're unhappy about that. Of course, the rates are very cheap, so that's good. We'll have to make sure to make reservations from now on.
4,
My flight was delayed by a big snowstorm, so I had to stay overnight in this hotel. My only complaint is the restaurants. There are 3 of them, and they are all way too expensive for me, because the airline isn't paying for my dinner. They should have at least one cheap casual restaurant. The staff is so friendly, though. Whenever I call the front desk to ask for something, they always remember my name, and they work so quickly. The room is huge, with a giant bathroom that is bigger than my whole apartment. It's got everything: a refrigerator, a hot tub, a microwave, even a big screen TV with a VCR. The rates are very expensive. I am so glad that the airline is paying for the room.
Okay. Okay. Listen and check their opinion about the hotel. Okay, number one. Speaker number one. Okay, the service, very good. The room, okay. Okay, the rates is not good. Okay, maybe it is expensive. Speaker number two, okay, restaurant, service, and the rate is okay. Oh, the room is not good. Okay, so the restaurant, let me see here in speaker number three. Oh, not good all. Oh, the rate is good because all the restaurant, the service, and the room is not good. That's probably the reason why it is good. Okay. Not good. Service, good. The room is good. And the rate is not good. Okay, quite expensive maybe. Okay, you have to ask answer. Okay. Me, have you ever booked a room or your family online?
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you go?
I went to like
Okay.
Hoi An and like what not.
Okay. When was your last vacation? When?
It's like it was 7 and 7 7 to
Seven,
5 5 to 7
5 to 7, July 5th,
5 yeah to
July
7
5 to
yeah,
7. Oh, where did you go?
I went to Hoi An and Bang Lao.
Where did you go?
I went to Hoi An and Quang Ngai.
Is it far from your place?
Quite far. I think yeah, far.
Like how many hours to travel?
Mm, what?
How many hours you travel?
2 hours.
Oh, 2
Maybe
hours.
3
Oh, that's
hours.
oh, 2 hours to travel.
But
But
when there, I went there by car.
by car. So 2 hours by car. Okay. So at least okay, you travel by car. So your entire family ride in the car?
Yeah, my father.
Your father is the one who drive?
Yeah. Teacher, wait me please. I go to the bathroom.
Maganda po yan sa mga i-hold. May mga psoriasis, may mga foods. May bugs. Kaya mga siya dito. Pero kung may mga skills, still has. Therefore, tayo meron ng mga nag-talks if you will, mga gasoline stations, franchise na rin ako ng like Jollibee, tapos yung so I need to we're doing branding right now and this is my interest.
Okay.
Okay. So you told me your last vacation was with your family and you traveled for 2 hours. Have you
Mhm.
been in such a confusing situation, Min? Have you been in such a confusing situations?
Um, I think, yeah.
Okay, so what did you feel then?
I feel like,
Okay. So, let's give me example. How did it happen? When you were confused, you have a problem and you don't know how to solve it. So,
Yeah, it's
will you
like,
like
I think,
like me? Like
I think, I'm confused.
sometimes you confuse with the questions. You confuse with what you are going to do. Is that what you mean?
It's hard,
Like this. So you find it hard, you confuse. Okay, if you find it hard, you confuse. Okay. So, do you actually feel comfortable when living alone? Do you think that?
comfortable when alone.
Yeah, living alone.
Mm,
Do you think you can live alone?
maybe like
Okay. Okay, so this is post, okay, making a conversations, okay. Oh, this the last one here, the conversations post speaking, okay. So, example me, I am the receptionist and I will ask you some questions about your booking, okay. So, okay. So, good morning, mom. What room did you book?
I will book a double room.
Double room. Are you with one person or how many person would it be?
I think just four, maybe 2 or 4 people.
Okay, 2 or 4 people. Okay, so how many nights you will going to stay?
2 nights.
2 nights. You will stay for 2 nights.
Yeah.
Okay. So what room you want to get? The standard or the suite room?
Suite room.
The suite room. You want the expensive one, okay? So yes, and then do you want to have free breakfast or you will gonna pay for the breakfast?
Free breakfast. Just
Okay.
free first.
So do you want to clean up your room?
Yeah.
Okay, so you will be staying how many days?
2 days.
Okay, 2 days. And then what hotel you are going to choose? Is it near the city? Okay. Or far from the city proper?
I think near the city.
Okay. Okay, that's it. So I book you. What is the name? Your full name, please?
What?
What is your full name under your reservation?
Phone number?
Yes.
Oh, wait. 0905156189. 189.
Yeah, and your full name, what is your name under your reservation? It is
What?
your name under your reservation. What is the name?
My name
It's Nuban? Taungili?
Yeah.
It's Taungili under your reservation. I will repeat. Taungili under your name. So you have 2 days, 2 nights reservations for a suite room for 2 to 4 people with a free breakfast. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the reservation that we asked about reserving a hotel. So the hotel will gonna ask you, or the hotel attendant will gonna ask you the details about that. Okay, Ngi?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ngi, for today. God bless me.
Bye.
Okay, I will see you on Wednesday. Okay, bye-bye, Ngi.
Bye.